Yo, what's going on, guys? Drake here with the Unlock Boot YouTube channel. Today I have a tutorial for how to unlock the iPhone X. This is a very quick and easy tutorial, and using these quick few steps, your phone will be successfully unlocked. Let's get right into it, and we hope you guys enjoy the video. Factory unlocking your phone guarantees that you can use your phone with any GSM carrier in the world. This service is quick and easy, and unlocking your phone greatly increases the value of your phone. And because of that very reason, we're going to want to unlock our iPhone X's at some point. We can sell the phone for higher value later, as well as use the phone with as many carriers as we want internationally. So I'm going to take us through the process step by step as we unlock our iPhone X. Let's get straight into it, and remember to leave a like if you guys enjoyed the tutorial. So first, we're going to demonstrate that our phone is currently locked. Once we entered in a SIM card that is not the one that our phone's locked to, for example, me using my T-Mobile SIM and a Verizon phone, you'll see we will find out that our iPhone is locked and our SIM is not supported. Now that is where our UB SIM card is. This SIM card will be available down in the description below, and this SIM card basically will unlock your phone from any carrier there is. All we have to do is use this little UB SIM card, and once it gets delivered within 5 to 10 days. So all we're going to want to do is put the non-supported SIM card into the UB SIM and then place it back into our iPhone X. Remember that non-supported SIM card screen we were seeing earlier? Well, it's back now, and we're going to tap and hold the power button, hit emergency call, then press star 5005 star 7672 star 0 pound, and then press dial, and now we're going to see a menu come up. Now we're going to scroll all the way down and then edit the ICCID. Now the number that you're going to want to change for the ICCID, these codes do change frequently, and we will put the ones that are currently working at the time of this video down in the description below, and we will update those over time. Now all you have to do is install the ICCID code one time onto your phone so that the UB SIM card works, and once you do that, you will no longer need to do it again as you keep the UB SIM card in your phone. Now it's just going to say setup OK, hit accept, and then reboot the phone. Once it boots back up, the activation screen is going to come up again. This time we get confirmation that the unlock was successful, as that SIM not supported screen went away. Congrats, you just unlocked your iPhone X. And just like that, the unlock tutorial is complete. This was a tutorial showing us how to unlock the iPhone X any carrier worldwide. If you guys enjoyed the video, please leave a like. Signing off, this is Drake with Unlock Boot. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.